Guys.
Hey. Seriously, y'all, what are you doing?
Seriously, y'all.
Seriously, y'all.
Seriously, y'all.
Seriously, y'all. Seriously, y'all. Let's do it till we can all sync up. Ready? Seriously, y'all. First to breakfast, then we'll see what other trouble we can get into. What are we doing today?
We are driving to Devil's Tower National Monument. Right there. We're gonna hike around it. And that's it.
What's he doing? Hi, Why are we just sitting here?
Just hiking forever.
I just want to record that we had a little contest here, and who won?
You did.
I did. Here is where I gave an inspiring speech about how I won and I'm the best and I'm so awesome, but I accidentally recorded it in slow-mo. So I just wanted to rehash how I'm the best and I'm awesome and I won. What are you doing, Emily?
I'm getting my stamp for my passport book that I forgot at home. Oh, that was terrible. Just like jamming. Just like, I think I could line it up good again. Oh, good job. Lined up pretty good.
What you looking at?
Now, some believe Devil's Tower is a force caused by a close encounter of the third kind. But do you know the true legend of the Devil's Tower? As told by the legend of the Kiowa people, 8 children were there at play, 7 sisters and their brother. Suddenly, the boy was struck dumb. He trembled and began to run upon his hands and feet. His fingers became claws and his body was covered with fur. Directly, there was a bear where the boy had been. The sisters were terrified. They ran and the bear after them. They came to the stump of a great tree, and the tree spoke to them. It bade them climb upon it, and as they did so, it began to rise into the air. The bear came to kill them, but they were just beyond its reach. It reared against the tree and scored the bark all around it with its claws. The 7 sisters were born into the sky, and they became the stars of the Big Dipper. Now you know the true story of Devil's Tower.
Look at those pretty flowers. Aren't those so pretty? Oh.
Wait, what?
And there's a cool rock, I guess, too. Emily, I got video of that. Emily, I got video of that.
Oh. There's a tiny one too.
Oh, look at that bee. It's so cool.
It's beautiful.
This land is considered sacred. And here's some Native American prayer cloths that are part of a religious ceremony.
I climbed Devil's Tower. Yay! Smart. Guys,
Great
go
sand
check
dunes.
out our sand dunes video in Colorado.
Like and subscribe.
Like, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.
And make sure to hit that bell to always get notified.
For every
when it
like,
goes.
1 bug will land on Deb's shirt.
Yes. These are our advertisers. They like it when you like it.
Check
We're
out our
sponsored by
Bandcamp.
Off.
No! It's just a clearing.
Hey girls, come look at this bird. Isn't it cute? You mean longhorns?
Yeah.
girls decided to play a really fun game of tap a song with your fork.
Look at the concentration on Emily's face. Song's over.
Yeah.
That's all you got.
It's a short song.
That's the way things go. Too far from you.
If at any time he's in a jam, she'll be by his side, but he doesn't realize he hurts her so much. But all the praying just ain't helping at all, 'cause he can't seem to keep himself out of trouble. So he goes out and he makes his money the best way he knows how. Another body laying cold and you gotta listen to me. Don't go chasing waterfalls. Please stick to the rivers and the lakes that you're used to. I know that you're gonna have it your way or nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Little precious has a natural obsession for temptation, but he just can't.
Pretty magical, huh? Could you imagine just like having a book?
It's almost so beautiful. It's like hard to look at.
All he can say is, baby, is good to me. One day he goes and takes a glimpse in the mirror, but he doesn't recognize his
I had a nightmare here